Okay, so we've updated the About page, added some capitalization, some headings, some information. This little icon right here allows us to toggle off and on this larger menu, which allowed me, of course, to set up this is an H1 heading as opposed to having things as a paragraph. So there's some editing little tools for you. This is the About page. I have saved it. If you also notice that SEO pressers come into play, told me some things about the keyword. I just put the keyword as leads. We aren't going to mess with that right now. The date I've also changed to be the actual time that I did publish it because I want to document this going forward. So there we have it. That's the About page. I have done the update and saved it. Let's go take a look at that page now and see if it actually works, see what's going on with it. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to click on the View Page button right here. Going to jump us over to the page. Here we go. And dun, dun, dun. The About page now has a title, and it's got some information in it. There we go. And the long-term goal, of course, of this whole project is to have a long-term, sustained, inexpensive source of leads. We'll see if that happens, won't we? So there you go. That's the About page. Now, the links up here, we're going to try to see if they work. The home page, it takes me back to the home page, which does not yet have its first post. That will be our next activity. The About page, let's see. Yep, takes us to the About page. There we go. So we're ready to roll. So what we've got to do now is we're going to go back in to the editing area. Click on the dashboard. And here we are now, and we're looking at the posts. We're going to look at all the posts. And as we've seen before, there were no posts here. So we are going to create a new post, and we're going to enter the information for that post here. I'm going to go over to my word processor that we were working with earlier and find the post that we were hoping to place here. I think it's this one, yeah. We'll start with this one. And so we're going to copy that from here. This again was written on a little Pocket PC. A Dell Axiom Pocket PC is where that came from. So we're going to run over to our blog area here. We're going to paste those words in here. And typically my post I like to have a lot longer than this, but right now I'm just trying to get a placeholder here. The title of this is called My Lead System Program. And we'll talk a little bit more about what this post and the things that are in here are going to be like. So anyway, that's it. That's how you place a post in there. Notice that I've just added a title, and we've got the words, and we'll edit some of these words going forward. Again, cutting and pasting from a blog or from a word processor sometimes can leave you some headaches. We'll get into that as we go along. Right now I'm just cleaning up some space. Typically the word count you want to have in your blog post is about 400 or 500. I have 2 or 3 little pieces I've written that will go in here, but in the interest of time and interest for you, there we go. SEO main keyword, I haven't decided what that will be. The results for that will show up here, so that'll come in later. Right now I am going to save this. I'm going to actually publish this because I do want to get a placeholder out there for this new blog. You notice I haven't done anything with the look and feel. I haven't done anything else with what it's going to actually feel like or see. I'm only making sure that it's functional at this point. So the primary focus when you get started is functionality. So there we go. I've got a little bit here. I'm going to have to do some cleanup of this later. There we go. My Lead System Program. Like anything, you need to invest time and money to get going and get the system set up. Well, I want a long-term blog solution. I'm not willing to take a long time to get it set up. So you see it hasn't taken too long for us to get this rolling. So there you go. Enjoy.